Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Tableau extensions for Workflow Insights easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Tableau extensions for Workflow Insights, begin by opening your Tableau desktop application. Navigate to the worksheet where you want to use the extension. Click on the Dashboard tab at the top of the screen. Select New Dashboard to create a new dashboard. In the lower right corner of the dashboard workspace, you'll see a Objects menu. Drag the extension object onto your dashboard. A window will pop up prompting you to choose an extension. Click on the My Extensions tab if you have downloaded extensions, or go to Tableau Extension Gallery for a list of available extensions. Once you find the desired extension, click on it to select it. After selecting the extension, click Open to load it into your dashboard. Follow any configuration or setup prompts that appear. Input any necessary information as required by the extension. Once you have configured the extension, click OK to finish the process. You can now adjust the size and placement of the extension on your dashboard. To test the extension, click on it to ensure it's functioning as expected. Save your dashboard to keep all changes. You have now successfully installed and configured a Tableau extension for Workflow Insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.